Hey guys, today I got my phone and PlayStation. It looks so buffer and other stuff because I have something to show you. It opens. So it does do its polling. So right now, my firearm's right there. And yeah. So let me put this back. Alright, let me pull it in 3, 2, 1. See, it does its thing. I have it on silent mode and on silence. And yeah. So and you're probably wondering why I'm not showing my face anymore for a while. Because I do not want to. No. If you watch my other videos, you know what I look like. So yeah. And just be careful when it falls off. So there is just a wrap for this and stuff. So yeah, here's the key. And my key is right here. I put it in here. And yeah. So it does open. I don't need it. But sometimes I need to take out the key. Well, I need to take out the key. But just be careful when you're taking it off. But this is what the inside looks like. And yeah. Yeah. But if you saw my other video, you're thinking, like build the original one into this one, like other one, because you got another one of like these. Well, you are right. You're correct. But the thing is, I really don't have like anything technical. So, yeah. Just but if you don't want to have a key to it, you could just do this and be done. I try to do something and other stuff, but I'm gonna pull it. My Simplex. So, I don't. You're probably thinking, well, where's your Simplex thing? It's right here. It was on here before, but not anymore. But, yeah. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.